Hey guys, what is going on? And please welcome to Expert C++ programming tutorials. And today we have a new relational operator. This is part 2 of video operators, and today we are going to see the next type of relational operators. You can see here we have 6 operators in relational operators, and we are going to learn this here. Actually, these operators are called relational operators because they show you relation. If the things are true, then it will return you 1, and if wrong or false, then it will show you 0. And generally, you may have a question in interviews, and don't forget to check this question out. First of all, we are going to learn some basic concepts. So whatever the condition is here inside this parenthesis after if, and if the condition is true, it will print true. If else means if the condition is false, then it will print false. Okay, so we have not mentioned any conditions here or relations. You can say either conditions or relation. Okay, so we have a and b variables. A is 12, b is 11. We have taken integer variables just for our easiness. This is easy to use decimal values without decimal point. Okay, so first of all we are going to check whether a is equals to b is true or false. So I'm going to save first of all, and going to compile and run it. So I think this will be false because the condition is false. You can see here a is not equals to b. 12 is not equals to 11, so condition is false. So this will print false here. Okay, so if I put this a is not equals to b, then the condition will be true. Okay, so this is very easy, so I'm just going a little bit fast. I'm just showing you some outputs here. Okay, so this happens here, and if a is less than b, so what happens? Condition is true, condition is false. Okay, if I put here, then the condition is true. Okay, I'm just going a little bit faster because this is same for all. Okay, this will be same for less than or and greater than. So I hope you can do this yourself. I'm just going for one step up. Okay, so here I have taken integer a, b and c. So we have not used c yet, so we are going to use it now. So a is 12, b is 11. So let's assume that c is equals to. So what I'm going to do, I will put a is equals to b. So what will be the answer? Okay, there will be no answer. We have to put something on screen. Okay, so what I do? Okay, let's just take c here, and we are done. So what will be the answer? I have compiled it, and I'm not going to run now. Okay, so you can pause this video and look for answer. This question is generally asked in programming tutorials, not programming tutorials, programming interviews. Okay, so answer will be 0 because a and b are not equal. Okay, I have already compiled. I should run instead of. Okay, answer is 0 because value of c is 0. So probably you think b is 11, so a will be 11 as well, and c will be 11, but that is wrong. Okay, right answer is, okay, not this semicolon. A is equals b means if this is true, then it will return 1, else 0. Okay, so this is false, so it will return 0 to c, and c will become 0, so this will print 0. Okay, one more. Okay, so if I put a is not equals to b, what happens? Okay, I'm going to compile it and going to run it. Okay, so answer is 1. Why 1? Because this says a is not equals to b, and this is true. A is 11, b is 12. So for true answers, it will return 1. So c is 1. So this will print 1 on screen. So this is the logic behind these all questions. I hope you like this, and one more question is asked frequently. Okay, I'm going to remove this semicolon as well. Okay, let us take C is equals to something else. Okay, we are going to take C is equals to 11, and going to A is equals to, okay, take A is equals to 1, and one more variable D is here. Okay, so D is equals to, let us take A is equals B is equals C. So what will be the answer of this question? This is a little bit tricky. I should put D here. I'm going to compile this and run this. Okay, run. Answer is 0. Why this happens? What you think? Why this is 0? Because first of all, this will be checked. A is equals B. This is wrong, so it will put 0 instead of this whole expression, and it will check for 0 is equals C, which is 11. So answer is 0, and 0 will be assigned to D, and this prints D as 0. And if I put A here and if I put C here, then what will be the answer? Can you assume the answer? Probably that will be true. This is 1. Yes. What happens? It will check for this C is equals B. So that is true. And it returns 1. So 1 is equals A. That is again true. That returns 1. And D will be 1. So it prints D here on the screen. So I hope this was a little bit tricky and generally not used for creating operating systems. But this may be asked in interview questions, so I just included this in the syllabus. Okay, so I hope you like. Don't forget to watch next video for logical operators, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit like, and you can share this to your friends. Probably they are going for interviews or they are going to learn this. Okay, so see you in the next video.